Despite the criticism, I remained loyal to Microsoft ClipChamp for well over 5 years, and I am at my wits' end, and today is the last day that I'm going to ever use this application again. Here's why, and I'm going to go down into detail what I think is the biggest problem with not just ClipChamp, but every program that utilizes this nasty business model. I'm going to talk about it right here, right now on the Ujamaa network. When it's all said and done, what it came down to was a reduction of services. Now, even after Microsoft began charging a fee, it was like $9 or $14 a month just to use ClipChamp and all the features that it came with. Even after that, because I like certain backgrounds or overlays, I was cool with it. It came with a nice suite of background music. You're probably still hearing some of it in the background only because it's going to get past all of the rights management when you upload it to YouTube or TikTok because it's free to use. The problem I had with it came up recently. There was a change in how you save your content. Now, initially, you could save your content directly to your PC, no problem. And as I was going through the process of trying to save my recently edited videos, I got to the final part, which usually took about 30 seconds of just rendering everything. Got to the final part and it says finalizing export. Couldn't export the file anymore. Why? Well, as I come to find out, this was a planned action. See, now instead of being able to given the choice to save it to your drive, that area is grayed out. I can no longer save files to my PC. I have to choose an offline or cloud service to make this thing work. Now, I tried to save it to the platform of my choice, whether it's TikTok or YouTube, and it didn't like the connection. I had to log into OneDrive first. And if I want a copy of it, I'd have to copy it from OneDrive. I don't like how that sounds. I hate how much time it took. And this is the straw that literally broke my camel's back, because I am done. You're not going to tell me where to save my files, number one. I'm already paying you for the service. Now, the diminished capacity, the disruption to my workflow just made this partnership finito. I am not recommending this application to anyone, and despite the fact that many content creators never even thought to use ClipChamp, they just don't like getting in bed with Microsoft. Microsoft has a bad habit of getting us all what we need when we need it and then changing the rules. I myself have made my career off of Microsoft products. Being able to get a job, build PCs based on the PC architecture was a change in my life. I will always be grateful for. But this is the blue screen of death when it comes to content creation. Do not change the way I do business because you want to explore another revenue generator by keeping me locked into your OneDrive, and I just never trusted it, never will, and I will not be a part of it. It was nice to get that rant off of my chest. I'll talk to you guys later.